Here's how to turn on story comments on Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can turn on story comments on your Instagram stories. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to turn on story comments on your Instagram, you just basically need to confirm that you're on the latest and greatest version of the app. So in order to do that, just basically go ahead and search up App Store on your app library, or basically go to App Store just like that. So once you're inside App Store, what you need to do is just basically type in Instagram just like that. And here, as you can see, my Instagram is up to date and I don't need to update. But if you do need to update, you basically need to update your Instagram in order to turn on story comments. So once your Instagram is updated, just basically go to Instagram just like that. And here, as you can see, I'm on Instagram right now. And so what you need to do is just basically press on your profile on the corner. Once you press on it, here, as you can see, this is what your profile should look like. And you just gotta go ahead and press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. Once you go, it will bring you to settings and activity. So you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of comments. So here, as you can see, this is comments. Just go ahead and press on it actually, and it will show you block comments from, and you'll see another option who can comment stories. So you just gotta go ahead and press on it, and it will give you these options. So it will give you three options. First one is your followers, then the second one is followers you follow back, and the third one is off. We actually do not want to turn this setting off. We just gotta go ahead and press on your followers, and here we go. Now you just basically need to, if you want to block your comments from someone, you can actually do that and find that contact, and you can specifically block them. But yeah, if you don't want to, here you go. You basically turn that setting on, and whenever you post a story, everyone who follows you will be able to story on comment on your stories. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can turn on story comments on Instagram. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.